Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Wonderful. I know guys, it's the midterm time and you all are in a great stress, right? And on the basis of that, most of you were requesting for me to make video on French Revolution, no? But yes, I have made a lot of videos this week continuously for grade 9th. I also need to make videos for grade 8th as well, right? So my next video would be on French Revolution only. Don't worry everyone. So today we will study grade 8. Okay, chapter number 2. Actually, I'll today discuss these important question answers. We'll be covering this chapter in one shot, that's 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, I have covered this trade to territory wala chapter in 1 hour long video. You might watch that. I have put that in the I button over here. You can click it, and this here you will see an I button on my video. You can click on that and then you will see the chapter. Right everyone? Good, great. Now let's see guys. If you want to understand this chapter very properly, you can watch that video. I've explained all the concepts in very much detail. For you, I'll also put the link for that chapter in my description box. So please focus on today's video. We'll be discussing important question answers that can carry marks in your exam, right? Okay everyone. Number 1 question: what is a mercantile? Mercantile, everyone, we all know that what is a mercantile. It is a business trading company. What is it? It's a business trading company which buys the goods at cheap and then sells it at a higher price, right? This was what your mercantile, right? Okay, next, describe the Battle of Plassey. What led to it? We all know that the Battle of Plassey was the first victory of British in India. How did it happen? It basically the Britishers, they were misusing their right for free trading, in which they did not have to pay any tax for trading in a country. So they were misusing this right. So we had a ruler called Sirajuddaulah of where he was a ruler of Bengal, right? Bengal ka ruler tha ye, right? He said that you will have to stop this. You will have to stop your fortification. You will have to pay taxes. And now, due to listening this, your Robert Clive got very much angry. And now, due to this stupid anger, what happened? Kya hua tha? Because yes, he was, he planned to kill Sirajuddaulah. He planned कि आज Sirajuddaulah को मार ही देना है. We have to kill this stupid Sirajuddaulah. And the person who helped him in doing this was who? Mir Jafar. Guys, I've explained this Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, everything in very much detail in my video. Please watch that. I have given the link for that in my description, as well as I've given it on the I button. You can click anywhere and you can see the video, understand all the concepts in very much detail. I'm sure that I've explained the best at YouTube. You will not find such best explanation anywhere else. Right. Yeah, Mir Jafar only helped this Robert Clive because because Robert Clive, he bribed him. इसने कहा कि अगर तुम सिराजुद्दौला को मार दोगे, we will make you the Nawab of Bengal. And now this person, in the greediness, he killed Sirajuddaulah and he became the Nawab of Bengal. Though the actual powers were not with him, he was just a puppet ruler. Actual powers were with the company, right? Yeah. Okay, this was the Battle of Plassey. Next is, what it mean to be Nawabs, everyone? Yeah, Nawabs, Nawabs, they did not have any power. No power with them. राइट, बिकॉज एक्चुअल पावर जो थी ना वो थी किसके पास, कंपनी के पास. मैंने आपको ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन करा अपनी वीडियो में, प्लीज़ वॉच दैट वीडियो इन हिंदी. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. देयर वॉज अ सिस्टम कॉल्ड द ड्यूअल सिस्टम. ड्यूअल सिस्टम था एक सिस्टम, राइट. इट वॉज अ ड्यूअल system over there, okay, in which the actual powers were with the company, but the drama, the acting, these nawabs were only led with the administration because the actual power was with the company. What did the residents appointed by the company have? They only had administration power. They only had to follow some rules and regulations. जो नवाब्स थे, the puppet rulers, इनके पास कोई power नहीं थी. They did not have any power. The actual power lied with the company itself. I hope I'm clear till here. Very good. Okay, so next question. Write a note about Tipu Sultan, everyone. Yeah, Tipu Sultan. I hope you all remember this thing. Tipu Sultan कौन था? Yes, everyone, Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan, also known as the Tiger of Mysore. I've explained all these concepts, guys. I've explained this chapter in very much detail in my video. Please watch that. Link is in the description. Yeah. So basically, Tipu Sultan is known as the Tiger of Mysore. Why? Because once when he was roaming in forest with his French friend, he come face to face with the tiger, and when he came face to face with the stupid tiger, he managed to defeat the tiger without any of the weapon because his dagger fell to the floor. That's why he is known as Tiger of Mysore. I'll explain this whole concept, the whole story of Tiger of Mysore in my video. Do watch that for better understanding, everyone, please. It's a humble request for you. If you want to top in history in your social science, please watch that video. Fine. Company's war with Marathas. There were 3 wars with the Marathas, everyone. The Anglo-Maratha wars. In first war, nothing much happened. In second war, company was winning because most of the areas of these Marathas were occupied. And thirdly, Marathas were totally finished and the company won. So these were the 3 wars with the Marathas. Right, everyone? Please watch the video. It's a humble request to you. You'll get a better understanding. Now, Paramountcy की policy. Paramountcy policy was by Lord Hastings. ठीक है? Lord Hastings ने करी थी policy of Paramountcy, and according to this, they said कि Britishers are superior. Britishers are superior. And nobody is more powerful than them. We are superior, so we are the kings and all. Okay, Doctrine of Lapse, my favorite, you all know. If you did, according to Doctrine of Lapse, it was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. It said that if you do not have your own natural hair, then your kingdom would be annexed by the company. Describe the Mufti and Qazi, everyone. Mufti and Qazi, they were the men of the judiciary. Okay, you can get a better understanding of concepts in my video. Yeah, they were the people of judiciary. Next, write a note on slave trade of South Africa. Guys, it's very, very important thing. It's very, very important. Slave trade of South Africa. आएगा ये मार्क में आपका. See, अब हुआ क्या था basically? There were 3 continents. America, Europe, and Africa. Basically, Europe and America में there were some plantations which are occurring. They had some plantations with them. Okay, plantations. And now what happened was कि slaves, people, there were no slaves over here. There were no people who had to work for this. So what happened was कि they borrowed the slaves from here. And a triangular slave trade kept on moving. So basically, now these slaves were who? They were the natives of Africa. मतलब the people who live in Africa, जो लोग अफ्रीका में रहते थे, they were made the slaves and they were being transported, they were being purchased, they were being sold out to other continents for the work, right? They were appointed as slaves. उनको slaves कहा गया था. एंड स्लेव्स की तरह ये दोनों कॉन्टिनेंट्स में काम कर रहे थे. Right, who? The natives of Africa. Who were they? Negroes. Next, British came to India as traders, but they soon... Yes, everyone. Yes. Britishers जो थे इंडिया में ना, as they came to India as traders, इंडिया में ट्रेडर बन के आए थे. Why? Because India was a country which they found from where they could buy cheap and they could sell it at a higher price. Fine. Next question. What attracted European companies to India? Very nice question. This gotta come for marks. Spices attracted, your muslin attracted, right? Cotton and silk textiles, these all attracted European people to come to our India. Alright everyone, so the next question, what areas of conflict between Bengal and Nawab East India Company? The main is your Qasim Bazaar. Very important thing everyone, it's Qasim Bazaar. Yeah. Next question, explain the assumption of Diwani. Everyone, I've told you this thing in my video, no? Ki Diwani helped them very much because Diwani was a thing from which now they could collect the revenue of Bengal. मतलब अब जो कंपनी थी उनके पास इतनी पावर आ गई थी कि वो लोगों से बंगाल का रेवेन्यू ले सके, उनके पास से पार आ गई थी. सो ऑब्वियसली दे कुड गेट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. सो दिस वाज द बेनिफिट. Guys, I'm still saying, if you want to understand these concepts in very much detail, please watch that video. Explain system of subsidiary alliance. Yeah, people, you all remember, no? Subsidiary alliance. It said that Indian soldiers would not be allowed to have their own army. They will have to borrow the army from the Britishers, and still they will have to pay for it. Next question, in what way is it the administration? Yeah, obviously company's administration was very well defined, but if I talk about the administration, of India was not that better, right? India ki administration was not that good. Why? Because we do not have that good weapons, no, but the Britishers, as because of good technology, they had a lot of weapons and good facilities, but we Indians did not. Next question, describe changes that occurred in composition's army. Yeah, good question. So basically the cavalry requirements declined, then the peasants, they were recruited as army soldiers. मतलब जो peasants थे उनको soldier बना दिया गया. Then horses more and more लाए गए, right? More अच्छे weapons बनाए गए company को, like बाहर की company like उन्होंने बनाया गया. After, yeah, what were the main features of judicial system? Basically जो Warren Hastings था, he introduced 2 new codes, civil court and the criminal court. So these 2 were very important judicial changes that Warren Hastings brought. Then the last question is, what importance of the office collectors in company's administration? So the office collectors were very important because they contained the main records of whole villages, right?